really just wanna see you. Oh, Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows. In the city, life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing, wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Oh, show me, Chongqing. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing. Just show me, Chongqing. Won't you show me, Chongqing?
Chongqing. It's definitely Chongqing. And then this one goes all the way down to the waterfront. And there's actually a bridge all the way down. So then there's also some people playing cards right down at the base of the steps. But what I'm going to do in this particular video is I'm going to try to explore a little bit and see what we can see by going in these little back alleys this direction, because I see some people going that way. And I think that one is a dead end, so I tried to do it in the other video. But we're gonna go the other way, so stay tuned. We're in wonderful Chongqing, China. There it is, up on the map. And we're in Minzu Road. So Minzu Road is kind of like on the peninsula part, which you can see in the map. It's like kind of a street that you'll probably end up in various times if you're walking around Chongqing. So this is a slice of it. And I'm kind of meandering about in here, getting a good feel for it, which is really fun to do in Chongqing. It's a great city just to meander and just try to get a little bit lost and find yourself on Minzu Street or other ones. Okay, anyways, the lyrics are up on the screen as well, so you can see that. I wrote the lyrics down and then I fed it into an AI program, which created the music part. So let's get right into it, where I'm going to walk around in Chongqing, one of my favorite cities in China. And I got 5. I'm going to upload more every 5 days. So I still have at least another 15. Okay, let's get into it. Narration time. So I think this cable car must be in this way because, you know, there's this big thing that says Chongqing, right? For you guys that don't know, I'm filming in Chongqing and I was just kind of exploring and walking around. And while I was walking around, I saw in another video, I saw a cable car. So I know that there's some kind of cable car entrance up here somewhere, but you have to navigate the steps and the streets and everything like that. But on the other hand, it's kind of cool to be able to see, you know, the hills and the neighborhoods of Chongqing. And we're gonna walk all the way up there as well. Oh, that guy's peeing right there. That's a funny place to pee because it's pretty obvious. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna go up. And then I don't know what we're gonna see up here, but it looks like there's somebody selling some foods right here already, which kind of implies that probably going to be near the cable car. Whew. So we just climbed some hills there, and now we're up and there's more neighborhoods up here as well. And they're selling watermelon right there. Oh, that sounds good. Thank you. So she wants me to buy some watermelon, but I don't really want to buy any. So I guess what we're gonna do is just meander down and just meander around, show you random Chongqing, because yeah, you kind of go through some neighborhoods like that, and then you kind of come up and some other end that you don't expect, and that's kind of the Chongqing experience throughout the city. And you can see there's lots of hills, there's always like steps to take, so if you don't like taking steps, Chongqing might not be ideal. But for me, I think it's just such a cool city. Hello. It's kind of tasty. I think this might be, there's something here that could be the cable car. We'll see. Oh no, that's the train line. It's funny, I just saw it on the other side. So they have a big entrance, exit entrance, and so I was way over on the other side, and they came over to this side, went over the mountain, and okay. So we're just gonna meander with no specific plan here.
Where are you going?
Walking around.
Walking around?
Yeah.
The center is the other way.
The center is the better way?
Yeah, they call what they call it, liberation inscription stone.
Oh, okay. Straight up that way.
And then you want to see that building.
Oh, okay.
That building is invested by the Singaporeans.
Raffles?
Yeah, they call it Gate of Heaven.
Oh, okay.
They call it that Gate of Heaven.
Oh, right there.
But not much you can see. They only except you go over there, they can see there are two rivers.
Oh, okay.
One is Chongqing River, the other is Galinggong.
They're blue and brown, right?
Yes, there's quite a big square there.
Oh, sounds
Really
good.
big square. Yes. But most thing you can see is that go back to the center.
The center's over there.
Center is that they call it a liberation stone inscription there.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay.
So I'll go that way. Thank you so much. So actually,
go down, have a look. Go to the Gate of Heaven.
yeah, that sounds true. That's true. So yeah, so actually the raffles with my other videos that you'll see posted before this one, I was just down that way, and it's kind of confusing the way I came up. I think I'm on a different street, and I was actually kind of walking around, and I could see Yangtze River Cableway, and I was kind of looking to see where that was. I was actually thinking it could be. I was thinking it could have been. Let me see. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go across the street. So I will definitely go that way into the center, as he says. But I'm gonna meander around a little bit as well. Now you can get a better view of Raffles right there. So that's Raffles Hotel. And you can also see a bridge over there. That orange one is a bridge. And I think I saw that from a different point of view a little while ago. So we're just gonna meander around. Then yeah, I think the tourist area probably is where I want to be. But I also want to meander too. So actually, some parts of Asia I'll see these trees where they paint white at the base, and I can't remember the reason why. I always thought it was because of, like, you know, out in the wild where animals might eat the lower bark, and then that would make it not so appealing. So I always thought it was like that, but in the city I have no idea. So if you have any idea why, let me know. And if you're curious, we're on Minzu Road. Minzu Road. And I see a ton of people way down straight ahead. Tons and tons of people. and I'm gonna go right into that. I think these are like fortune tellers here. Yeah, they're doing palm readings. Another fortune teller there. Another one there. And another one here. Another one here. That's kind of why I like to just meander, because you don't know what you're going to see, right? If I just look at the tourist sites, you know, like, I wouldn't see. That temple looks pretty cool. I think I saw that last night. So we're gonna walk right towards this big mess of people. And then I'll bring the video to an end. Kind of wanted to see what all of it is all about over here. Oops. Let's see who's gonna go by with that. Okay. This is a common scene where people are spotted over looking at their phones. Okay, so this one is an overpass. It's pretty common here. And there was a big mess of people a few minutes ago, so I was wondering if there was a reason. Chongqing. So I'm just gonna go a few more minutes. This is kind of random Chongqing, I guess. China welfare lottery. There's a lot of lottery stuff throughout Chongqing. It's a cool city just to walk around. You see a lot of interesting things. Tea shop over there. These are really bright orange. I watched another YouTuber bought them, but he didn't like them at all. Okay. These are like that? Different. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. So maybe I'll... Oh, it's okay. Yeah. I think it's, not so sure about those. They're kind of really bright. Whoa. That looks pretty illegal. It's really illegal. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna we got watermelons over there. So we're gonna keep on walking. I think I saw that group before yesterday. All kinds of stuff. So okay, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to an ending for this one. Got some souvenirs, and we're just kind of meandering around. So this is just another slice of Chongqing, and you see what it's all about. That could be a reference point, I guess. And we're gonna try to find some other stuff to explore, but that was basically the street that we just kind of meandered about. So let me turn off the camera. It's kind of cool when everybody's coming your way, so that's why I'm kept filming, because it's not very often that you get a lot of people coming your way. Makes great for the camera. Okay.
Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me.